Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Things back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson. This is part 2 of my lessons on Love is the Answer from Dan Seals. Okay. Part 1 we concentrated on the intro, which also doubles up as the bridge section. So the rest of the song now in part 2, the verses, choruses and the refrain. So let's get to it. So coming out of the intro, you come out of that sort of okay, that's the end of the intro, and a bit of a pause, and we're into the first verse. Name your price, a ticket to paradise. 2 chords for the first 2 lines there. F sharp minor 7 and a C sharp minor 7. So first one, F sharp minor 7, barring the 2nd fret with your 1st finger, and the 4th fret of the 5th string with your 3rd finger there. Right. All 6 strings, F sharp minor 7, okay, and the C sharp minor 7, which we played already in the intro, but barring the first 5 strings of the 4th fret with your 1st finger, 2nd finger is playing the 5th fret of the 2nd string, 3rd finger is playing the 6th fret of the 4th string, the D string, okay, 5 downwards, okay. So that's first 2 lines. Name your price, a ticket to paradise. I can't stay is B minor 7. Stay here in the D major 7. So the B minor 7 is the same chord shape as the C sharp minor 7, but down on the 2nd fret bar, first 5 strings, 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 2nd finger, 4th fret of the 4th string with the 3rd finger, and the D major 7 is simpler version. In the intro we played it like this, but as we're down here playing chords, I'm playing it down here. Simpler way of playing it, just barring the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret, open 5th string, open 4th string, all the way down. Okay, don't play the bottom E string, okay. So, from the beginning of the verse so far, F sharp minor 7, name your C sharp minor 7s, again, same again, paradise, B minor 7, again, stay here in D major 7th, and now we go back into the verse again with the F sharp minor 7th and the C sharp minor 7th, okay, so it goes out to I can't stay here anymore, and I've looked high and low, I've been from shore to shore to shore. If there's a B minor 7th shortcut, I'd have D major 7th again, found it, but there is B minor 7th again, no easy way around it. Simple chord there on the end, just a bar across the first 5 strings on the 4th fret, not playing the bottom E string, okay, and that is a C sharp 9 sus 4. Okay, and there's your verses, okay. So let's just go through the whole first verse again. Okay, so here we go. Name your price, a ticket to paradise. I can't stay here anymore. I've looked high and low, I've been shore to shore to shore. If there's a shortcut, I'd have found it, but there's no easy way around it. Okay, you got that. Then we're going into the chorus, okay? light of my world. There's a bit of a quick pause on that. Light of the world is F sharp minor 7th again. Now this is quite quick. Light of the world, shine on me. So you've got world as F sharp minor 7th, light of the world. So just a quick couple of downstrokes on that world. Okay, then you go to that D major 7th again for another couple of downstrokes. Shine on, or down and up, shine on. C sharp minor 7th that you played in the verse again. Me. Then back to the F sharp minor 7th. Love is the B minor 7th. Answer. Let me just repeat that whole thing, okay? So it's light of the F sharp minor 7th, D major 7th, shine on, C sharp minor 7th, me, F sharp minor 7th, love is the B minor 7th, answer. Repeat that. Shine on us all, set us free, love is the answer. Okay, so that's your choruses, okay? So let's go all the way from the beginning of the song through the first verse, okay, hopefully slowly. So coming out of that end of the intro, here we go. Name your price, a ticket to paradise. I can't stay here anymore. I've looked high and low. I've been from shore to shore to shore. If there's a shortcut, I'd have found it, but there's no easy way around it. Light of my world, shine on me, love is the answer. Shine on us all, set us free, love is the answer. And we're into another verse, exactly the same to play as the first verse with different words, okay? Who knows why someday we must die? But all homeless boys and girls we never heard. It's such a lonely, lonely, lonely world. People turn their heads and walk by. So is it worth just another try? Okay, it's exactly the same as verse 1 with different words. Then we play another chorus again. Light of the world, shine on me, love is the answer. Shine on us all, set us free, love is the answer. Now, this is where the bridge comes in, okay, which is exactly the same chord sequence as the intro, but you sing over it, so even more difficult. Okay, so comes out that this is the answer. Tell me, are we alive? So that's F sharp minor. On the intro we played it like this, that bit, but this time we're strumming it and there's no individual notes, okay, it's all chords. So it's tell me, and we're playing the F sharp minor down, instead of playing it here, we're playing it here. So the F sharp minor 7th there, okay, and the D major 7th, instead of playing it there, we're playing it here, okay. Tell me, are we alive, or are we just dying planet? And that's a B minor 7th, exactly as it was on the original intro, where it goes. B minor 7th is the 3rd chord, yeah? So it's exactly the same chord sequence but without the fiddly notes, okay? So tell me, are we alive? Or is the dying planet? Now we've got this bit. What are the chances? Exactly the same chords as the intro, okay? That's that C with B flat in the bass, and then the suspended. Are we... Sorry. What are the chances? Okay, got that bit? So we got, tell me, are we alive? Or just a dying planet? What are the chances? Then more words and the same chords as before. Ask the man in your heart for the answers. Exactly the same chords but words over the top, okay? So the whole thing, the bridge section, tell me, are we alive or just a dying planet? What are the chances? Ask the man in your heart for the answers. Okay, so there's your bridge section, which is the intro with words. Okay, bit of a pause, and then we go into what I would think we call the refrain. And you feel afraid, love one another, and all that is C sharp minor 7. When you feel afraid, F sharp minor 7. So C sharp minor 7th, F sharp minor 7th. Then we go to a G chord. You can play an open G. I'm playing it like an F shape, and then a D. So it's when you feel afraid. This is the answer back. Love one another. D to G to D. Okay, love one another. You could play it as an open G. Love one another. Okay, whatever. And that goes on and on for quite a while with different words. Okay, when you feel afraid, love one another. When you've lost your way, love one another. When you're all alone, love one another. When you're far from home, love one another. When you're down and out, love one another. When your hopes run out, love one another. When you need a friend, love one another. And you're near the end. This is where it changes. You go to the G and you stay there. Okay? When you're near the end, we got love one another. To a B minor 7. Okay, so let's do the last couple where it goes when you need a friend. Okay, so and when you need a friend, love one another. When you're near the end, love, we got love one another. Okay, and then you just go back and play the choruses again. Okay, light of the world, shine on me, love is the answer. Shine on us all, set us free, love is the answer. Last one coming up. Light of the world, shine on me, love is the answer. Right, final one. Shine on us all, set us free, love is the answer. That's how I ended it. Obviously it fades out on the record. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. Part 2 with all the other bits in the song. Hopefully the verse, chorus and the refrain and the ending. Okay, thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.